G'day guys, Greg here. Now in my hands today I had the latest from Dominos. A sausage sizzle pizza. Gotta love the old sausage sizzle. And there's nothing more Australian, I reckon. Maybe Domino's here's trying to cut some Bunnings grass too while they're at it. And just thinking about that, I wonder if the onions are on the bottom or on the top. Only one way to find out. Let's suss out this new sausage sizzle pizza. Yumma! Alright, here it is. Whoa, mate! That looks phenomenal! Wow, look at all this sausage on there. Look how much sauce is on this. This has got to be the sauciest pizza I've ever laid my hands on. Or eyes, for that matter. I haven't even touched it yet. But by the looks of that, it is definitely something that I want in my mouth ASAP. Now, the million-dollar question, are the onions on the top or the bottom? Well, here's an onion, and it is underneath. Good on you. Anyway, look how much sauce is on this. Look at all that mustard and tomato sauce. Well, I think it is. Woo! Oh, mate, that's tangy. What about this mustard? Wow, so much of it. In fact, if I was to make myself a sausage sizzle sausage and put the sauce on, that's how much I'd put too. I do love my sauces. Right, well, how about I get one with, well, a good mix of everything, which there doesn't seem to be. But I'll grab this piece here. Oh. There's a bit of stretchy cheese there. Mm. Well, there's this real sweetness about it. I thought it might be like the sauce underneath or something, the pizza base sauce that they use. Tastes really sweet. It's a very sweet tasting pizza, this one. Which I sort of, I guess the sausage sizzle, if you got the onions on there, they're pretty sweet, aren't they? But, oh, mate, it does smell a bit, this pizza. And not great either. It's even attracting the flies. But, yes, how's this crust going? Yep, it's going. And by the way, this pizza costs $7.95, which to me seems like a lot compared to their $5 pizzas. I mean, there's not much more on it than a $5 pizza. In fact, there's hardly anything more on it, except maybe a bit more sauce. Is that worth an extra $3? I don't think so. And the amount of meat on this, there's hardly any sausage on it at all, really. And the taste of it, well, so far I've only got through this much, and that's about all I want to eat, actually. I'm really not enjoying this pizza. It's sweet. It's just average tasting. I'm really struggling to eat this pizza. It's just sort of too much. It's sort of sickly sweet. And well, with the amount of sauce on there, I thought it was going to be awesome with that much sauce, but I don't know, there's even too much sauce for my liking, and that's really saying something. This sausage, well, that tastes like sausage at least. But the rest of this pizza, oh man, I've only had 2 pieces, and wow, it is not very appetizing. So I guess it's time to score this out of 10. $7.95. Well, I don't know why it costs $7.95. It's no bigger or got more ingredients than any other pizza that's $5. So that's something I'm not quite understanding. Flavor-wise, wow, it was really sweet. There's not really that many toppings on it, and it was just sort of over the top and sickly, and well, I didn't enjoy it at all. But for some of you out there, I can understand why you might like it. If you really do like that sickly sweet sort of meaty tasting pizzas with lots of sauce, then I'm sure you'll like this. But for me, it was just a bit too much for me. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for this sausage sizzle pizza from Domino's, it's getting a... Even the smells puts me off. 2 out of 10. It really doesn't taste that good. I'm not enjoying it, and I mean, it's pretty rare that I don't want to eat something, especially a piece of pizza, but I really don't want to finish this off. Anyway, there's the sausage sizzle pizza. Oh, boy. It's something that you might like. Unfortunately, the old Grego's taste buds aren't getting this one today. And, yes, bit of a dud pizza. Anyway, that's all today. Hope you enjoyed this food review and it helps you decide where and what to eat and what not to eat as well. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and watch the surf roll in. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I review a pizza. See you then.
Oh yeah, this